Speaker, sir, the capacity of solid waste management facility at Saligao was enhanced from 110 TPD to 250 TPD in 2021, considering the increased waste quantity over a period and to cater to the future demand of 10 years. In the Honorable High Court on 11 July 2023, the Department of Urban Development filed a report wherein it was mentioned that 30 tons of waste shall be transported to Saligao facility from MMC, and therefore MMC was allowed to send 30 tons of waste to Saligao facility as per High Court order. Presently, MMC is sending an average about 27 tons of waste daily, and total average waste received in July at Saligao facility, including MMC waste, wet waste, is about 240.6 tons. It may be noted that the waste received from MMC is on temporary basis and which could be till the facility reaches its designated capacity of 250 tons. The Saligao facility is on the brink of reaching its full capacity, and further from August end, it will start receiving additional garbage from beach belt panchayats in North Goa. The waste transporting vehicles should be complying to Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, properly covered and equipped with leachate collection tanks so as to ensure that there is no leachate dropping, leaking while transportation. Vehicles getting waste from Sonsoro to Saligao SWMF are covered and equipped with leachate collection tanks. GWMC has also issued several letters to other local bodies getting waste to Saligao facility to provide leachate collection tanks and to ensure that vehicles are properly covered and there is no dropping leakage of leachate from the vehicles transporting waste. Considering the issue raised by Honorable MLA, will monitor all the vehicles getting waste at Saligao facilities, and details will be forwarded to GSPCB to take action against all the vehicles which are not equipped with leachate collection tanks and which are not properly covered. Such, there is no need to have any fear and anxiety in the minds of the people regarding the waste which has been transported to Saligao plant.
Yes. Speaker sir, Ministeran doshi waten answer dila. Speaker sir, I will give him a brief explanation. This plant, solid waste management plant, जो आम्ही कलांगूट सालिगांव प्लॅटोचेर घातला, Speaker sir, was in the court. म्हणजे पयलो सद्याक तो आम्ही डिसिजन घेतले तो प्लांट घालपाक. लोक सगळे सालिगांवचे कलांगूटचे कोर्टान गेले, हायकोर्टान गेले, मागीर एनजीटीन गेले, fearing that we are going to bring the waste from all over Goa. We had to explain them. The then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and आमचो CM was the Vice Chairman GSIDC. GSIDC was the main agency who would look after this to build this plant. We have sacrificed a lot for this plant. You just cannot bring the waste from all over Goa and dump it on the plant. It is called dumping. If you come and see the present status, the other day, the trucks were standing in a line, leachate was falling down. The slope from Saligao junction on top is only one single truck can pass, not even a two-wheeler can pass. The roads are narrow. And तुम्ही आत्ता हुयसून आता I'll explain. The waste which you are bringing, earlier there were 23 panchayats only designated. Yeah, हुई दिला, NGT दिला. You have given affidavit in NGT. Thereafter you have given affidavit in High Court. Speakers are giving affidavits in High Court and NGT, and now you are going against that affidavit. Speaker sir, त्यांना CCPचो waste नासलो, 20 tons per day minimum wet waste. We allowed because you are the capital city. You are the capital city of Goa. We cannot say no to you. Earlier there was no waste from Murmugaon Municipal Council. 5 tons hatta तुम्ही आता. Speaker sir, pondasun 5 tons येता. वो wet waste चे उलयता. मारगांवसून 27 टन्स पर डे येता. विलेज पंचायत तालिगांवसून 3 टन्स पर डे येता. ओल्ड गोवासून 3 टन्स पर डे येता. सांताक्रूजसून 2 टन्स पर डे येता. स्पीकर सर, हांव कित्याक उलयता? ऑल दीस पंचायत्स वेट वेस्ट वॉज नेवर देर to be brought over here. We have reached 240 tons per day, which we had always said. The department had said, the earlier solid waste management chairman, the present solid waste management chairman, even when we increase the capacity, the number of hotels, guest houses, resorts and households have increased. In the North Goa coastal belt, amka 240 tons full season yeta waste. Speaker sir, you cannot see लोकांनी कॉन्फिडन्स दवरला सरकाराचेर की तुम्ही हो प्लांट बरे भशेन चलयतले म्हणून. त्या खातीर सालिगांवच्या लोकांनी, पिलेंच्या लोकांनी, कलांगूट कांदोलीच्या लोकांनी हो प्लांट बांदूंक दिलो. सगळे जाण म्हणटाले नॉट इन माय बॅकयार्ड. द प्रॉब्लम, सगळे पंचायतींक हायकोर्टाची नोटीस येयल्ली and we were the first to set up this plant. Kumnidad gave us this land and there was big meetings. Adlo Mukhyamantri, present Chief Minister were sitting for this meeting. I was sitting continuously. Then we brought this plant not to make another dump yard like Sosodov. Ata आम्ही कित्याक हाडला हें calling attention? People from the village of Pilen, Saligao, Kalangud have started gathering together. They are having meetings. For what reason? तुम्ही लिचेड उडयत येता आणि कलांगूट waste treatment plant cannot become a garbage dump. We have monitored this plant. Now you are the minister. You have to see that this should be an example for all over India. वो आता example आसपाक जाय. आता तुझो plant South Goa ready जालो. तुम्ही तिंगासोर व्हरचें सांडून हिंगा हाडटा. I want to know from the honorable minister how much money you are paying from May. आता तूं म्हणटा मेयानसून ready जालो. From which date you started paying money for South Goa Kakora plant? आणि कितले म्हयन्यांक फारीक कोत्ता तूं? 100 tons per day, but I know the machinery which is fitted over there is capable to handle 200 tons per day. I know, because we have done the work. Foundation stone आम्ही घातला तेजो. म्हाका उगडा आसा. आणि we have gone over there with all the media and all, we have monitored the completion of that plant. पण हांव कित्याक म्हणटा that you cannot think of कितें वेस्ट मेळलो, अरे तिका सालिगांव व्हरून डंप कर तिंगा. Don't think it is a dump yard. Speaker sir, minister is aware. पेंजीमूय तिंगासोर डंप यार्ड जाल्ले तुमीच क्लियर केला. You were continuously monitoring with the ex-CM. You were in the opposition. I remember this. You don't make a dump yard. Kampalar जाल्लो dump yard. So आमचो प्लांट जो आहा वो बरो चलपाक जाय. We never said no to anybody. 23 panchayats were there. You have added another 10 panchayats. Now you are adding municipals. You are adding Ponda municipal. You are adding Murmugaon municipal. You are adding Fatorda and Margaon municipal. कितें चल्लां हें? Speaker sir, what is going on? People are cautioning us. The people who gave the land, that is Kumnidad, people had gathered that day over there to ask, Papa, तुम्ही दिल्लो कित्याक लागून? What is happening? Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता मिनिस्टरान खंय तरी चुकीचें काम करता. आणि तो जो म्हणटा 250 tons per day, हिंगासर 240 देता, तशें ना स्पीकर सर. ते दीस फिगर्स आर ऑल्सो मॅनिपुलेटेड. कित्याक आमचो वेस्ट जो येता फ्रॉम नॉर्थ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्ट 23 पंचायत प्लस अनदर 4 is touching nearly 250 tons every day. आता वो जो वेस्ट येता हांवें जो आतां सांगला वो एडिशनल वेस्ट. That means you are going against your own affidavits which you have filed in the High Court and NGT. आम्ही ती केस कॉम्प्रोमाइज करून भायर काढल्या. कॉम्प्रोमाइज केस इट इज. इट इज नॉट वी हॅव वन द केस. यू कॅन्ट कितें एक बरी गजाल जी जाली ते कोण जेवण जेयता म्हणून ताका आनीक दिवप हील वॉमिट न्हू. बरें लागता म्हणून दीत रावप ताका. तशें करिनाका. स्पीकर सर, मिनिस्टराचे म्हाका एश्युरन्स जाय. हें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन हाडलां आमी ह्यात लागून की म्हाका एश्युरन्स जाय दॅट यू वील नॉट डू लायक दीस. You cannot say that you are going to go on bringing waste. आता आणि खंयचे तरी पंचायत रोडटली, हायकोर्ट तेजेर तेका स्ट्रिक्चर बांदतलो की no new construction license should be given by this particular panchayat. Anywhere it is, anywhere in South Goa. So you will say, okay, Saligao plant is, they go and dump there. स्पीकर सर अशें जाल्लें आहाय आनी हो आन्सर दिला तो दोशी वाटेन दिला तेणे एक दाखयता आमचो प्लांट सालिगांवचो एक दाखयता काकोरा प्लांट 173 crores has been spent in South Goa. What are you doing? How much tons you are getting? You are saying that you are getting 18 tons. It requires 100 tons, 90 tons, which is 10 tons less than the full capacity. So what are you going to do? You have to tell the house, you have to tell the people of Goa. You are not serious on waste management. Thank you, Speaker, sir.